charges dropped tonight against a man who was arrested and jailed following a brawl that left a man with a stab wound to the face.
Surveillance video cleared the man. Video the man's attorney says should have prevented the arrest in the first place. CBS 4's Peter Danch is live outside the Miami bar where the story unfolded. Peter.
Well, Elliot and Rudave, the man at the center of this case, told Miami police that all they had to do was to check surveillance tape, but they did not. And so he was charged with aggravated battery, which can mean up to 15 years behind bars. But today, charges against him were dropped. It is a wild brawl in March at this bar on Flagler Street at 47th Avenue. Several people are involved. A man is slashed in the face. You see him holding a towel over his cut. Jorge Crusellas-Sotolongo was charged with attacking that man, even though he was not part of this fight.
This is an arrest that should never have happened. It's everyone's worst nightmare.
That nightmare unfolded a month ago when Sotolongo was charged based on what the victim told police.
My client pleaded with the arresting officers, just check the surveillance tape. The videotape would show it wasn't me. I wasn't here 6 months earlier.
Sotolongo says he said,
I am not the one who did this. I have never been here before. Why arrest me? Did you see the camera?
Police did not check the tape right away. Then in court, a prosecutor told the judge charges were being dropped.
Taking no action.
We, as prosecutors, are always charged with the responsibility to seek the truth and do justice. This is just another example of how important it is. If anybody has information that's truthful, we want to know about it.
Sotolongo, though, near tears, says he suffered unfairly, spending more than $1,000 in legal fees and a night in jail.
This is horrible. I was stuck in a place in jail with a bunch of people, and I have never been arrested before in this country. I've never had a problem.
Attorney Mark Aguilar commends the state attorney for dropping charges, but wants to see a policy change.
We'd like to see that no person is ever in the same situation as my client. Law enforcement should first check all available surveillance prior to stripping someone of their liberty.
Now, Mark Aguilar says Sotolongo is a hardworking family man with 2 children and 2 grandchildren. Aguilar says, well, his first priority is seeing a change in policy. He has not ruled out suing Miami police. Now, we did reach out to them to try to balance out this story. We asked for comment, but right now the department said it is not commenting. We are live in Miami. Peter Danch, CBS 4 News.